He was a good man. His mother has said this, his wife has said this, his brother, his sisters have said this. Everyone who came in contact with him have said this. His friends, the industry, even down to his gardener have said Alex was a good man. He lived for God. And you could tell it was so evident in the things that he did. He had a heart for people, a strong heart for people, and this was clear. And one thing Alex sure did was he lived for himself. He will always do things his way. And it just gives me great joy to know that he lived a life that felt good to him. And in the process, also felt good to everybody around him.
Absolutely. Nancy, you know what is most memorable about Alex for me is the fact that everyone that came in contact with him left with a smile. You couldn't be around Alex without smiling or jumping or laughing, or you cannot come down and leave down. He always had a way to encourage and uplift people. You know, he shared, he was a giver, he was a sharer. And we could see that in the way he lived with his family, his friends, and through his philanthropic work, people he didn't even know.
Our dearest wife, Anwuli, you'd see she said he brought her closer to God. And that was Alex. He would always find a way to bring you closer to God, even if it means through worship. And today we want to bring every single one in this room closer to God through worship. While we lift our voices, we know Alex is here.
I'd like to console the family and say that it's quite touching. It's a loss for everyone, not just the family. It's a huge loss to the entertainment industry, the creative sector as a whole. Alex was a good guy, a general good guy. You know, the turnout here is a testament of how good and how nice he was to all of us. We're going to miss him. He was an amazing guy. He was also one of the most talented of our generation, our group. You know, this has taught us that life is short. While we're here, if we can, let's always make peace. Let's love on one another. Let's look beyond our imperfections. Let's judge less. You understand what I'm trying to say? Because nobody holy pass, really. You know, and it's when one is gone. You know, let's stop biting and pinching on people. When one is gone, we begin to say RIP. But when the person was here, you couldn't forgive. You couldn't look beyond their flaws. You couldn't resist from jumping on the gossip. You just wanted to stomp and match the person down. And then when the person is dead, you now feel remorse. Let's begin to feel that remorse now. Let's begin to show that love now. The time is now. Tomorrow is not promised. Okay? If we love ourselves more, just maybe we'll all live longer.
Thank
you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You know, when we're shooting at Famifuna, Alex will bring his food. He was a foodie. I don't know. He liked food. He liked, and he always made sure he was a chef. I mean, he wasn't married at the time. So he would bring his food in one stainless cooler. Hot. Or some. We would eat it until it was done. And then would go and create magic. He became a brother within the. And though our hearts may be heavy today, and we may be weary, but our conviction, our happiness is that he is in a better place. So we would not mourn like people that don't know. We would mourn with that revelation, knowing that as we too become children of God, on the last day, we all will gather together and see him. Hallelujah. So it's time to take tribbles. If we were going to